Hey guys, welcome back. Is your car feeling sluggish, unresponsive, or just not running as smoothly as it should? The problem could be your throttle position sensor, TPS. In today's video, I'll show you 5 simple methods to reset your TPS and get your car running like new. Each method has its own best use case, and I'll also point out the common mistakes to avoid so you don't damage anything. Let's dive in. Method number 1, reset using the ignition key. This method works great for most cars with electronic throttle systems, especially if your engine revs strangely but shows no trouble codes. Steps. Step 1, make sure the car is off and safely parked. Step 2, turn the key to the on position without starting the engine. Dashboard lights will come on. That's normal. Step 3, press the gas pedal all the way down and hold for 2 to 3 seconds. Step 4, slowly release the pedal over 2 to 3 seconds. Repeat 2 to 3 times. Step 6, turn the ignition off and wait at least 2 minutes. Step 7, start the engine and let it idle for a few minutes. If the throttle responds quicker and smoother, the reset worked. Pro tip, do this on a flat surface with no other electrical loads like ASC or headlights running. Method number 2, disconnect the battery. This is one of the easiest resets. Perfect if method 1 didn't work. Steps. Step 1, turn the car off and pop the hood. Use a wrench to disconnect the negative battery terminal. Step 3, leave it disconnected for 10 to 15 minutes to clear stored ECU settings. Step 4, reconnect and tighten the terminal. Step 5, turn on the ignition and let the car idle for 5 to 10 minutes without touching the gas pedal. Take the car for a test drive to confirm smoother throttle response. Method number 3, use a scan tool, OBD2 scanner. If you have a diagnostic scanner, this method is more precise. Steps. Step 1, plug the scanner into the OBD2 port, usually under the dashboard. Step 2, turn ignition on, engine off. Step 3, navigate the scanner menu. Look for options like throttle body reset, TPS calibration, or relearn procedure. Step 4, follow the on-screen prompts. Start the engine and check the throttle response. Pro tip, some cars require advanced scan tools, so make sure your scanner is compatible. Method number 4, clean the throttle body. Sometimes the TPS isn't the issue, it's just a dirty throttle body. Dirt and carbon buildup can confuse the sensor. Steps. Step 1, make sure the engine is off and cold. Step 2, remove the air intake hose to access the throttle body. Step 3, inspect for carbon buildup. Step 4, spray throttle body cleaner, not carb cleaner or gasoline, on a microfiber cloth. Step 5, wipe the throttle plate and inner walls carefully. Step 6, reassemble everything. Step 7, start the engine and let it idle for 10 to 15 minutes. Now test drive. If the response is smoother, the problem was just dirt. Method number 5, replace the throttle position sensor. If your TPS is damaged or worn out, resetting won't help. Replacement is the only fix. Steps. Step 1, park safely and turn off the engine. Step 2, locate the TPS on the throttle body near the air intake. Step 3, disconnect the wiring connector. Step 4, unscrew and remove the old sensor. Step 5, install the new TPS and secure it. Step 6, reconnect the wiring harness. Step 7, perform a reset using method 1, 2, or 3 to calibrate it. Step 8, after calibration, start the car and take it for a test drive. Pro tip, always choose an OEM or high-quality aftermarket sensor to avoid early failures. By following these 5 methods, you can reset your throttle position sensor, improve your throttle response, and bring back smooth driving performance. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car hacks and repair guides.